My video is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the ransomware called Lord Bomani. This video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In the video, I will show you the damaging effect of the ransomware, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover the data. Before the ransomware's attack, of course, you are able to open the files as you see, but unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Lord Bomani ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. The ransomware appends this strange extension COM to the file names. It also reveals the ransom note indicating that the ransom supposedly needs to be paid for file restoration. But I urge you not to waste your money and not to pay the ransom. Instead, I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software, and this software is called Cleaner, and you may get it on the website combocleaner.com. But to get there, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be damaged by this ransomware. Therefore, through your Internet Explorer browser, go to the website combocleaner.com, use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software, and once it gets successfully installed, start researching the system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, and so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. After you click on the Start Scan button, the software will begin researching and investigating your system. You'll find a second part of the video which will give you more facts about how you can use Combo Cleaner. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will need to select your scan type. In fact, three scan types are available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. Even though the trial mode only gives you the Quick Scan option. Full Scan and Custom Scan are the parts of the premium license. So to use these two scan types, the premium license upgrade is required. So click on Start Scan button in order to detect and identify all sorts of malware, ransomware, and other threats on your computer. While the scanning is in progress, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, if you go to the settings and click on Anti-Ransomware tabs, you can add a special folder which will store the files that will be duly protected against ransomware attacks and encryption. So this feature, however, is only the part of the premium license. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed, and at the end of scan you will need to click on the Remove All Threats button. This will help you to get rid of the ransomware type threats and other threats such as adware, browser hijackers, and other kinds of computer infections.